This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with PayPal on KickWho. First, understand that KickWho does offer PayPal as a payment method directly on their website. When you proceed to checkout, you will find PayPal listed among the available options. After selecting it, KickWho will provide you with specific details, such as a payment link or a unique Pay ID, to complete your transaction. This process ensures a secure way to finalize your purchase. To complete your payment, begin by selecting PayPal at the checkout stage on the KickWho website. Following this, you will receive either a direct payment link or a specific Pay ID from KickWho. It is crucial to use this provided information to send the precise total amount of your order through your PayPal account. Ensure the amount is exact to avoid any delays in processing your purchase. Once you have successfully sent your payment via PayPal, the next critical step is to capture a screenshot of your completed transaction. This screenshot serves as proof of payment. You must then submit this image along with your KickWho order number to their customer service. KickWho will use this information to manually verify your payment, typically within 1 to 3 days, and subsequently confirm your order. When paying with PayPal, be mindful that using goods and services might incur an additional fee, often around $5. Always double-check that the amount you send exactly matches your order total to prevent any issues. After payment, it typically takes 1 to 3 days for KickWho to confirm your order and provide quality check images. Patience is key during this verification period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.